guys.
Food in the kitchen, yeah. Food in the kitchen. Ain't no bitch bitching. All we do is make food in the kitchen, yeah.
Whoa. What's up, buddy?
Does it show how many people are on?
Nah, not yet. Maybe when people join it, we'll say. Or maybe we have to look at it through the.
My other phone. Another phone's right there.
Give a tour here. Yeah, we'll look at it in a second. What you doing, Ken?
Cooking some food for you?
Where we at, Ken? What are we doing?
We're in Maryland. We're in the kitchen. In a very old house. And we're making millions off streaming. By doing ordinary things.
Tacoma Park, man.
We over here just chilling. This is get this toast with this butter.
Oh yeah. Oh, I like that.
This is the best butter on earth, and you're about to eat it, bro.
Damn, Ken, you cooking, man?
Yeah, I'm cooking.
Should we show on the outside, bro? Should we go outside? Can we go outside?
Go outside on the deck here.
It looks real pretty out there.
Show it off, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure out how to clean all this up.
Whoa. Maryland. Pretty, man. See if I can zoom in here.
I'm gonna take a dump. Look at this. Watch
What is
out.
that? What is that? Is that ash? Shit.
I'm getting some tape, bro.
Should we go down? You gonna go? What are you doing?
I'm gonna dump it.
All right.
You gotta get the whole thing. Put your phone way over there. Look at the ground.
Where? Where?
On the ground.
Oh, okay. I think I got it. Go ahead. Oh shit! Damn. That doesn't look safe, Ken.
No more ash. Look at the clouds.
Oh damn.
I created my own air pollution. Go show them the fire.
Yeah. You can look at the video later. And if we don't like it, we can delete it.
Now check this out.
Oh, look at this map. What's this map? Is this DC?
Wait, Julian, we're about to make cinnamon toast. Sorry, there's so much activity here.
Oh shit. What are we doing, Ken?
Well, we just buttered the shit out of the bread, right?
This is home style cooking, huh?
Yep.
Where'd you learn this?
My mama.
Oh, yeah.
Throw that cinnamon on there.
Oh wow. That's home style.
Take that and rub it into that butter.
Ooh.
Smell it? You know what I'm saying?
Careful.
Here, bro.
Oh shit. Is it for me?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's the best butter. I wish I could sprinkle some sugar on it, but the bitch took all the sugar.
Careful what you say on stream, bro.
Can I say bitch?
You can say whatever you want. I mean, well, you can pretty
My
much.
bitch stole my sugar.
You can say whatever. I'm just saying, like, people, it comes back to you, man.
I ain't got no milk. Look what we got in the fridge.
Oh.
Nothing.
Man,
Besides a bleeding heart.
man. American life, man. It's tough out here. What do you got to say about American lifestyle, man?
Costs a lot, bro. Never get a break. Work your ass to death till the day you die. Never let you know you could live for free. Fuck. But you get everything you want.
Yeah. What is this? Bathhouse Farms Berry Boost. Thanks, man. Mm. Pretty good. What you make your own? Why did you make your own? I thought you were all about that organic life.
Right?
Mm.
How's the toast with butter? Good?
I ain't complaining.
You up the game. Here's oranges and bananas. Tomatoes and potatoes. Rosemary. I've got it all going on. Yeah. Let's go see upstairs. Let's go see the fire.
Okay. I'm not tired. I'm sure this. Now what are you doing?
Pour some of this leftovers in there. Eat and drink and be merry, for tomorrow we shall die.
Bro, they love you. They're loving you, man. Mm. So tell
How
us
many
what
streamers I got.
we gotta check. Could be 100 right now. We don't know.
Check me.
You gotta look on the other phone. I got Prism set up right.
We don't know what's going on. It's my first stream ever.
You know, what's all this map? What's this map? This map is fucking nice, bro.
Look at the fire though.
I'm all about this map though. I think it's DC.
That's DC where we're at right now.
That's a
Look at
sick
this,
map.
look at this. What's fire?
Oh shit.
This fan is sucking the smoke out. Once it stops sucking that.
Damn, bro, it's a nice fire. But isn't it a little dangerous to have that fire going like that in the house?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, looks like you've done a little burning action before or something.
Haven't you heard of the word fireplace, sir?
Yeah.
It's literally the place where you have fires.
Hmm. Now, okay.
I know a place with dollar fried chicken up the street
In Tacoma?
on New Hampshire Avenue. Come on, let's go see upstairs.
Okay.
Show them the bathroom.
Yeah, you want to see the bathroom? Whoa. Wait.
You can come and live here if you want.
Yeah, we got rooms.
Got rooms for rent.
The bathroom's all fucked up. I'm not going in there. The fuck?
It's not that fucked up.
Let's show them the porch.
Show them the porch.
Damn, look at all that firewood, man. Shit. It's nice out here. Hmm.
I stacked it and cut it all myself. All of it came from the tree right there, the huge tree.
Mm.
Look up, Julia, show them the huge tree.
Damn.
Biggest tree you ever seen.
Wow. It's a pretty neighborhood. Can't wait till it gets warm again, though. Damn. For real, I'm sick of this cold, man.
put a big garden over there.
Mm.
I've always wanted to.
Oh shit.
I want you to be my friend. Please be my friend.
You already are my friend.
No, the online people.
Oh yeah,
Tired of
I'm
you.
sure they love you, man. How many people we watching right now? I don't know. I hope we got some people watching. If we can't check the chat right now, so you guys are
Let's go upstairs and see my other shit.
yeah. Good tour, man. Oh crap. Alright, we go.
This is the house of broken heart. I've had my heart broken in this house so many fucking times. That's your bathroom for rent right there.
Mm.
It's my room.
That's a nice little bathroom you got.
I remodeled it.
Oh, let me do something here.
It's my room.
Is it clean?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's clean, man. Oh wow.
Check out the backpack room.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh shit, bro! This door is fucked. You did it on purpose. You tried to fucking hurt me.
Yeah, I wanted to hurt you.
Damn.
Tried to kill Julian on the live stream.
Dude, this door is. I don't know if you guys. This shit is literally coming off. You almost fucking hurt me. What if it would have hit my face, dude?
What if it would have broke your gimbal?
Bro, what the fuck? I don't want to care
That
about
would
it.
have been content.
My face matters more than my gimbal, dude.
That would have been content.
Dude, and you got a mirror here. Fucking Jesus Christ. That would have been content. Yeah, actually, now you're thinking, dude.
Man, guys, all
Bro.
mustard.
I hope that's all right. I don't know if that's stable, dude. Okay.
That's fine.
Damn, you got another bed in here too. This is a good little view.
The view's great.
Sick. What is this? You got beds everywhere. Yeah, this is nice. Ableton Live. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Hell yeah. We got a bunch of shit. Oh, there's a little issue up here. Wow. What
Show
happened?
that room.
I know that TV.
I mounted it.
Oh, yeah. Good. Oh, this is nice. There's a hole in the wall. Alright, if you guys need a place to live in DC, this is your option. We just have to fix that hole in the wall. Ah, so this is cool. Pretty. Yeah. Boom. Well, if you guys need a room, the whole house is available, right? You're renting the whole thing out?
I got 3 rooms.
So, if you want to live like Kenny?
Want to live like a king? Holler.
Oh, man.
We have different tiers for pricing. Basic roommate price. Then we have our health and wellness packages. So, you know, you can get your personal training and your nutrition all for the same price. And that includes living with me, the personal trainer.
Mm. So you get to live with Kenny.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be around too.
You get to live with me. You get to get, free weed. You get to work out daily, exercise daily. Everything's provided.
There's music. You guys have drums.
Social life is provided. You get you a social life. Can't guarantee that the people don't suck, but I don't.
You got some instruments here. Right?
I want to transform your life.
Thinking do take the stream to the drum circle when it gets warmer too. Think people like that?
Oh yeah.
It depends on what they want to see, right? We'll see. I want to see if there's anybody in the chat. I don't know. Could be. I wish we knew. Yo, if you're in the chat, check it soon. Yeah, man. The thing is, once we have the chat, we can ask questions. Like, but we could just imagine they were asking us questions at this point.
So yeah, this house is 100 years old and it has ghosts.
Yeah.
Are you done streaming yet?
All right, guys.
Can you check your data after you hang up?
Yeah. Once it's over, it'll post it to the Kick. So, bye.
Wait. If you want more content like this, text Julian on the Kick account. Link in the bio, whatever. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Cool. Nice, dude. And we can delete it if we don't like it. If it looks weird. You can look at it.